Hey everyone, this is Jesse with farmingseattle.com. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to go over today. I got this IBC tank. It's 275 gallons and it's going to be the future beds for the aquaponics system. Basically, we're going to take off the cage right here. We're going to cut it down there. Cut it down there, so it'll be about a foot or so bed on each side. And that way we won't need the valve or anything, so I guess I'll actually cut it this way. And so that'll be the new aquaponics system. It'll be set up right here, and I'm probably gonna just convert this top bed to those two beds and then fill this bad boy up a lot more, because I'm not too sure how this is gonna last in the winter when it's all rainy with all the posts in the ground. I'm going to switch to concrete blocks, so just that I know it's not going to sink. It's going to be super stable and just work out well. So I'll wait for the airplane to fly over in a second, but in the meantime I'll video some of the aquaponics bed and the growth. So just in August, everything's been growing a lot quicker. I don't know what that noise is. So we got cucumbers finally growing. I don't know if any have actually produced a cucumber yet. The flowers just started, so hopefully by the end of summer we'll actually have something growing. And these are elderberry cuttings that actually worked. Can't pull them up because there's so many roots. The mint bed is doing well. It's still filtering. I'll probably convert these two, probably take these two away, take the top one away, and just have two halves of that big tank, and then do a floating raft in the top here. What else? The propagation for the elderberry, it's kind of working, kind of not. It looks like complete junk. I've been planting these just in the ground to see if they'll actually grow. Seems like elderberry, the way to propagate is do it in the winter when these are hardwood cuttings. Stick them in the aquaponics bed, because I think I had basically every single one was working properly at that time. So I just dig a hole, and I have all this stuff on a sprinkler system, so the ground's pretty wet and whatnot. And I'll just shove it in there and see what happens. I cut a lot of the elderberries out anyways. All the black elderberry are in production right now. The berries will get super black. These are not ripe yet. Got a blueberry that's dying right here. Nothing's happened on the mulberry this year. I was disappointed. I was hoping to get some berries from that. This fig is completely ready. Just kind of pull it off and it's ready to go. I don't like figs very much, but it's a free fig tree, so why not? And this is what the black elderberry should be doing. That's how dark they should be. And we actually have the black angels flying over us, or black angels, the blue angels flying over us today, so that's what the noise is. Now this is the watering system that I've done. It pretty much covers the entire front yard. It's on a timer, like a simple Orbitz timer, so I think it goes for about 10 to 15 minutes each day, because right now it's in the 80s or so in Seattle, which is hot. And all the blackberries have been producing. This is Triple Crown Thornless Blackberry. As you can see, there's still a lot of red berries, but there are a ton of blackberries that I've been picking every day. assuming they're not destroyed. But they're super sweet, they're big, and they're really good. So we like those. It's probably my most productive fruit out here. Here's a good one. So I got another mulberry right here. It's finally growing. I think it has multiple stems. And then the last of the plant projects, this is a mulberry, and these are little seed root bags. I didn't know how they're gonna work. They're working okay. I think it's working a little better on the blackberries. They have more aggressive roots. So I'm basically just going to plant the entire bag. Since the roots have already penetrated it, I can just plant that entire thing, dig a hole, and then I'll have a new plant populated in there, and basically no root shock whatsoever. Another mulberry from a cutting, and some more blackberry. And these two elderberries actually survived. So we got two, but not as easy as I thought to propagate. And then just other random cuttings that I'm just sitting them in water, the pots, so they have as much water as they need, and it seems to be working out pretty good. So with that, that's kind of the update. I've been getting rid of a lot of things. I got rid of my greenhouse just because I don't think I'll be using it. I want to convert the propagation bed to put cuttings in there, produce new plants, but then don't pot them up or do anything like that. Just wait until winter time where I can sell them as bare root cuttings. Then I don't have to mess with planting them or anything like that. Oh, I thought for sure this one would have roots. Looks like it should. Let's check this one. Not really. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll get this posted online. If you want any mulberries or blackberries, let me know. And I'm in Seattle, so they're $5 a piece. Thanks for watching.